welcome back to my channel. I go by the name of Diva for those who don't know, and for returning subscribers, what up, wagwan, you dick. All right, people, like today I am literally going to be trying my first ever headband wig, hence why I look a fool right now. I'm trying to get to my edges back, people, so it's not about laying wigs hair. So it's good that there's a headband wig that starts a bit back. Further ado, before I get into this video, please hit that subscribe button, making sure your notification bell is on, people, okay? And yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Right, people, I got a package. Woo! So people, like I said, I have opened it, but I don't see it. Oh yeah, so I'm going to show you guys this here. This is what it came in. It did come in like a long clear bag, but I took out the wig and put it in here and left it in the net. But yeah, this is just a customer card thanking you for purchasing it, I guess. This hair is from Lovenea store. It is from Amazon and it was £69.80. It comes with a wig cap. Well, I've had my own, so let's put that on. It does come with that. It also comes with 3 headbands, which I'm going to take out and show you guys. So it comes with, I'm not really a colourful person, but yeah, it comes with this headband. God, I hope this fits my head. My head kind of big. This colour, I don't know what type of band this is. Wear some work band for you wear to work, because I would not wear that colour. A black and white one, which I think I'm going to use because I got black and white on. I'm going to take out the dungargan out of the bag. Let's take it out, let's take it out. When I got this hair, I did like run my fingers through it. It was a bit more tighter. I just wanted to know what it felt like, and it's really soft. This is a virgin deep curly wave here, and this is 18-inch. It does come with, it does come with 2 clips at the front right here, and a clip at the bottom. It also comes with this adjustable clip. These clips are used, so if you've got a small head, you just clip it back and it keeps it more firm. But me having a big head, I have to untake this clip, and yeah, I have to take it and just try it on like this. So yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. 18-inch, and it also comes with a Velcro at the back to put on, like, I guess to put it on your hair when you put it on. I'm gonna take the gummy styling wax. This is in hard finish because my hair is natural, so I need to get these edges laid. So yeah, I'm gonna do that for you guys now. Right, people, I'm not what's the word, an edge laying person, so I don't know how to do those fancy laying of the edges, but as long as it's kind of laid a bit, that's the main thing. Don't come for me with the edge laying, because I'm not, again, I repeat, a pro at laying edges, okay? So guys, the edges are laid. I'm not gonna comb this or anything until I put it on. So here goes, guys. Guys, what is going on? Hold on. Right, let me just clip this to the back. Adjust the headband, because I got braids and I don't need to see the lines of the braid. So I just want to put this a bit forward. Guys, now it's on my head. I'm gonna take this wide comb. I'm just gonna comb this hair out, and I'm just gonna see, like, look, it's really soft, guys. This type of wig needs to be worn like when you're in a rush. Again, if you want to protect your edges like me. Like, I don't know if you guys know, when you get a wig, when it's new, it doesn't really have much like volume. So because this is new, it's like it needs to get a bit more old, if that makes sense, before I wear it out. So right, what I'm gonna do is just comb it out and see what style I could do with it just looking a bit real. So I've combed it out, guys. Going to use the Cantu Curl Activating Cream on this hair. Just a little bit. I don't want no greasy wigs, so here's my hand, and I'm just going to just run that cream through the swiggy. So this hair does look at this hair, guys, it's so nice. I'm just gonna create a little style. So let me see what this headband. Okay, I'm not wearing my hair like this, but yeah, I'm just trying to get the hairs through. Guys, help me. Guys, I got makeup on my hair. No. So you can simply wear it like this, or you could wear it up, but I have I'm most likely to wear it up. So I'm gonna show you guys how that looks. But people, this hair is giving me vibes. So this is it out. Fancy. Love this hair. I'm gonna take this hairband. Guys, I don't know how to even style this hair, but I'll just leave the styling for now. But yeah, guys, like I said, this hair is a quick thing that you need when you want to run around, or do you know what I mean? It's like whoever invented this headband wig is the bomb. But I'm actually loving this. Let me just look in the mirror. The hair just feels absolutely lovely. Yeah, I would recommend this hair to anybody. It's really cute. I actually feel cute. I just want to share this with you guys. Yeah, so the link will be below from where I got this hair from. And yeah, guys, I'm actually loving this. Loving it. That was just a little short video to share with you guys. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button yet again. Make sure your notification bell is on, so when Diva Nail pops up, you know what time it is. Okay, people, so it's time to leave you guys while I'm feeling myself, and I shall see you guys on my next video. On my next video. Bye guys, love you. One love.